Hi everyone, this is Jinbrosfiguresitout, and this is my first ever, and not that many, unboxing. We got this from the States, and it's a figure we ordered from 4 Horsemen, Mythic Legions set of 3. Now let's see how to open the box. We ordered this very long time ago. We ordered this set a long time ago, maybe a year or so. The funny thing was, local seller got them about a week ahead before we got the notice from the courier from the States, ready to ship to the Philippines. By boat, it's estimated about 3 months, and by airplanes, about a week or less, maybe a month. We usually go for boat. Surprisingly, we got them around a month. For full disclosure, I would be posting some pics already before I post this video of unboxing. To be honest, we are more on the Mythic Legion line right now because our Marvel Legends collection are almost complete. There are just some little pieces missing, but technically it's already done. Unlike our DC, so far it's good, especially DC Direct is closed now and they moved to McFarlane, and it's not in scale with the rest of the 6-inch DCUC we have. Here are the first 2 figures in the box, regular size figures. Our deal was just the 3 for the set, and you may have known we already bought all the All-Star 3 set. Our original plan was just these 3, but I slowly succumbed to buy the rest here, so we slowly complete the All-Star 3. At first, our Mythic Legions started with just Knights and some Barbarians. In the Advent Decay wave, it was a lot and really punched a hole in our wallets. Most of the female Knights and Elves we got. There are a lot of figures we pass out: dwarves, goblin, vampires, orcs. We all have some reasons why we would buy this and not this, but so far we slowly are buying some of those right now, especially the big ones, trolls. Budget wise, we can't afford them, and the space needs a really huge one. Now the last one is the big one, the troll. Like I said, this figure was not our priority before. They already had released 4 trolls already: a forest, stone, ice, and a Colosseum troll. For the face sculpt wise, I really like the forest troll, but the skin color I liked was the stone troll. And the All-Star 3 Stone Troll 2 answered my prayers. After the forest troll sculpt head, the ice troll's head was the second best sculpt for me. Here's the huge beast. It's pretty magnificent. It's pretty big. I think there is still one missing troll, the toad-like face on the art box, or in the back of a back card. There's an artwork, the toad-like face. Now here's all of them: Malleus, Torion, and the Stone Troll 2. Please click like and subscribe to help my channel out. Hope you liked the unboxing. Hopefully there's more, but I doubt that. And again, thank you guys.
Wow.